In today's video, can I survive half an hour at Snetterton on a flooded track? I may regret this, but screw it, let's go! I've forgotten to do some setups. You cannot bloody see a thing. Where the f*** am I going? Jeez, this is actually bad. Okay. Yeah, how well is it gonna go? Not at all. Yeah, I'm gonna go crap. I know it. I don't know when. Okay, we're just starting now, okay? I don't know. Sketchy. I'm breaking now. You can't bloody see a thing! Jesus! This, what the hell? I'm not gonna bother to try everything, I'm just trying to survive. Nice no rate control, it ain't open. Wait, I've already got path! Yeah, it's got an overtake! Brake. Slow down. Keep the foot nice, keep the foot even. Power. Way too early. Yeah, I'll put rain light on, just forgot. Nice! Overtake. Yeah, look at the radar. It is just torrential. There doesn't look like there's any space behind me. Probably because that won't show wall. Hey, you. I killed 2 people in an accident. Huh. I killed Paro and Newport. Gee, this is sketch. No, I'm not in the spray. Ah! Oh, God. Ouch. No. Yes. Oh, so sketchy. Just trying to survive, man. Let's go. Power! Oh, I'm not lost. Haha, not me. Lost. Oh, you think you can go fast, you bloody can't. Ah! Hey, dude! Not nice, man. What? Oh, tons of money. Whoops. Good. Oh. Okay. Break. Turn. Yes. There you go, pretty good. No, yeah. I just realised, this is normal British weather, so why am I struggling? Maybe because this is not normal British weather, the track is quite literally flooded. Although my tires are up to 10. Somehow. Oh man. How do you go? Ow. Oh. How many spins have I done? This is fun. I absolutely regret doing this. No, not yet. I will if I get myself injured or get bored. But you can't get bored in this situation. Oh, I think I think I know how to take that corner. I think I'm actually getting better at the circuit. I think I can control it in the west. Ah! Power! Oh, too much power! Too much power. Too much power. Yeah! Oh. Come on. How am I still driving? I don't. Okay, let's go. I nearly binned it again. Oh, 6 minutes later and I've done 2 laps. Oh. I'm not getting the hang of it. Oh, there's a fence. Ah. Whoops, oh, you changed that fine. Yeah. Whoops. Yeah, there's no way in hell I'm catching up. I'm not damaged to the point my wheel is no longer going straight. Oh, what? Oh man, it's stalled! Come on, back it up, yes, come on, yes! TC up. Oh. Done. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna cause chaos in the moment, aren't I? Because I cannot keep it in a straight line at the moment. I think it's my setup. Yeah, it's a setup, man. Yeah. Why are my tyre pressures flat? Oh, that explained it. Very high tyre pressures, dude. That is dry tyre pressures on wet tyres. I'm just trying to survive. Wait, technically, I'm first. But if you don't count lap times, wait. I might need to slow. Raise off on too early. Too late. No, never mind. No. Dude, this is so fun, Chaos. I hate it. I don't know what I'm saying, just trying to say something to distract myself. Oh, slow. Oh, fuck. Oh, I induced understeer successfully. No! Am I safe to back up now? Oh, hello there. No! You idiot! Oh no! No! Can I do it? ping pong.
That's box. We have to repair the
And
car.
it's not really my fault, man, because I just... it all started...
Fast the car coming up.
Ah! Ouch! There! I can't turn. I can't go there.
What's this then? We have to
I'm stuck on the wall.
fast the car coming up.
That's it. Oh no. Uh-oh. Ah! I just can't turn.
There's a light damage on the left of the car. Thanks,
How
box.
have I
We
not
have to
killed the
repair car.
engine, man? That one? Yeah.